Trying to clean up your PC. Maybe you click uninstall from the start menu or go through settings. Windows 11 eventually takes you to the same place. I'm going to show you the right way to navigate this menu and a pro tip to delete the hidden junk that apps leave behind. What if you want to go there directly? So you open, you click on start, you see this icon, it's called the gears. You click on the settings gear, then you go to apps, then you navigate to installed apps. Windows will populate the list of all applications installed on this system. You can look here manually, but if you don't want to waste time and you know the application you want to install, like me, I know the apps, you type in the application name. So I want to turn install Connectify. So I see Connectify Hotspot 23. I go to these three dots, then click uninstall, then confirm, and let Windows do its thing. The uninstall is done. I don't want to reboot the system now. I click finish. But again, don't stop there. Here's the pro tip I talked about. Most apps leave behind ghost folders even after they are gone. To find them, press Windows button and R to the run menu, then type this. I've already copied it to my clipboard, so that's type this percentage appdata percentage. Click OK. It will take us to the app folder, the app data folder. If you see a folder with the name of the app you just deleted or you just uninstalled, right click and delete it manually. But for me, the application I've deleted is not here anymore, so the uninstall worked very right. And this is the only way to make sure your PC is truly clean. That's the fail-proof way to keep Windows 11 fast. If this really helped, hit like and subscribe for more daily tech hacks.